Well, hi everyone. I'm Local 5 Chief Meteorologist Brad Edwards. We are in for some stormy weather heading into the next 24 hours or so. We've got our first big storm system with the severe potential there going right through central Iowa. There's lots of spin energy, but there's not very much heat energy, let's say. It's not going to be very warm or humid, but it will be just enough, I think. We are going to see severe storms around the middle of the day here for central Iowa, then the possibility of redevelopment out there. So we've got a level 3 here on the tracker. Every type of severe weather will be possible, including tornadoes, some large hail possible, also some wind will be possible with some of these storms, and it just kind of depends where you're at and what time of the day, because these thunderstorms are going to happen tonight out here in Nebraska, Kansas, and they'll be rolling into western Iowa, and they may be packing some wind with them as they roll in tomorrow morning. And then they're going to redevelop throughout the afternoon, and so we're going to see 2 rounds in some areas of thunderstorms. Des Moines may actually get a couple of rounds of storms as well. So it's going to be a very active day here. Things will wind down by Tuesday night. Now, the biggest threat that we're concerned with is that tornado threat, because there's a lot of spin energy in the atmosphere. We call it shear, and it is basically a bullseye. Central Iowa, southeast Iowa, eastern Iowa. So the threat's a little bit lower for western Iowa. I think you'll probably have a higher hail risk for areas in western Iowa tomorrow morning, and maybe some wind there as well. So one thing we need for thunderstorms to develop is moisture, and we measure moisture with the dew point. If you look at the dew points, they're very low right now, but this tongue of moisture comes up just in time. So 11 a.m. is when things get pretty active here in central Iowa. That's when our dew points are the highest. So dew points in the 60s is sufficient enough for thunderstorms to be severe. And you can see that kind of dries out. We got a little dry slot coming in. Once that passes, it's pretty much over as far as the thunderstorms go. Things will quiet down. So this thing is going to be wrapping itself up. Another way to look at it is potential energy here. This is a similar product, but it's showing how much energy is available. And when these first thunderstorms come through at 12 p.m. in the afternoon, there's not much potential energy, but it goes up in the afternoon here. This is an area we're going to watch south and east of the metro. Around 4 o'clock, it could be very active with the potential for severe weather, including tornadoes. So our highs tomorrow is still pretty warm. We're going to be in the low 70s, it looks like, depending on when the rain hits. Cooling down on Wednesday to the 60s, and then cooling down big time on Thursday to the 50s. Let's break it down hour by hour. We've got this strong east-southeast wind. We got a few showers and thunderstorms tonight after, say, 2 a.m. Best chance here for the metro. It doesn't look like these will be severe at all. The next round, these are severe in western Iowa. 9 a.m. on Tuesday. They come our way by the middle of the day, just about noon time here in central Iowa. Could have some large hail, could have some wind, could have a tornado. And then there'll be redevelopment. These cells right here, redeveloping, could produce tornadoes again in the afternoon. We got a few showers lingering here Tuesday night, but no severe threat really after 7 o'clock tomorrow. And then the cloudy, cool weather settles in. The good news is we are going to get some decent rainfall. The first wave of rain mostly for northern Iowa. Then tomorrow afternoon it really gets going, but you can see 2 inches or more for northern Iowa, and a lot of us in central Iowa should get 1 inch or more. Looking at nothing strong tonight, but a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, low near 61. Strong storms to severe storms tomorrow, 72 degrees, and temperatures do cool down a lot heading into your forecast. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's going to be a little cooler than last weekend when we were in the 80s, but it does warm up later next week.